Whoa. Whoa. All-time highs. Hello. Hello, all-time highs. We're at the Addy right now. Come on. Let's take a peek. Take a gander. This is some information here. Whoa. Can you dig it? Boys, we just 8865. 8865 is Addy. We're teasing it. Is today the day? Today all times? Mar, what's up, buddy? Top of the mountain to you. Dude, we're about to hit all time right now. I think ES did, or SPY grabbed ES and QQQ grabbed ES, but the indexes, I'm pretty sure ES and NQ have not. But man, we're at Addy right now, baby. A little bit of Addy, a little all time action. We got, what did this get to? 789, so 788. We are like 140 points. No, not even 60 points from this top, but right here we're like 140. So is today the day? Did we go grab all time right now? What is going on? Oh, let's make some money. Let's pass these accounts. Let's pass these accounts, get funded. Step one of today. I don't man, you can't make it up. 735. So we swept this high. So this was a big liquidity grab that we already swept. Addy's at 856. Interesting. So let's let it be today. Yes, sir, he said. That means, Mar, you looking long, buddy? I already have a feeling my man's looking long. He's going to get a fill. Cheap fill, too. Let me take a look at the daily real quick now. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Best fills of the day? Were these the best short fills of the day? We're going to find out. Time to get naughty, boys. Yeah, Mars looking long. Brett's here, so the party just started. Oh my goodness, gentlemen. Brett, look how close we are to all-time high, bro. We're about to go rip Addy right now. Addy, this 787 is like 70 points from all-time high. All-time high in the NASDAQ. Back to VWAP right now. Yesterday's high is 226.94. Crush that. We crushed that. Let's be patient here. Find the spot. It's looking a little back and forth here. Opening print price was the 707s. I think if they can get above this VWAP, this could be potential here. Let me grab a little thing I'm seeing here. Our buy is in right now. Oh my God, Addy on the way. Is today the day? I'm in with 2 lots on ES. Mars going long already, trying to get this grab. Are we going to grab all-time highs? He's in with 2 contracts on ES. Oh, I want to join you, buddy. I just got to find a spot. I think I'm going to try this bottom here. I'm also going to do 2. Nothing crazy today. We got to be, we got to try our best. See if I can get a fill back at the 24s. Don't want to be left. This trend breakout, if we can get there, it's going to be the obstacle. Looking for fills at the 24, which is about VWAP, also supporting this London session bottom. So that's kind of what we're looking at. Hey, it's one of the earlier trades for me. Market's only been open for 8 minutes, but I'm already looking for a fill. That's how excited I am for all time right now. Mars in there as well, so that gives me some confluence. Let's go, gentlemen. EMA is curling aggressively, already over the VWAP at the 25s. We're looking for a fill to 24s, so ideally it doesn't curve away from us too much and gives us a chance for an entry. Trying here at the 40s. This is the trend line break. See if we can get a hold here. We're still looking for a fill down at the VWAP, roughly 24s. So we just see how strong the buying really is here. First 10 minutes of the market. We almost just got a fill, gentlemen. Almost just got a fill again at the 27s there. Looking for a fill to 24s. That's the EMAs with the 26. We just got a little bounce from. Give me that, Nazi. Get us in there. And we're in there. Officially getting long here at the VWAP on this pullback. See if we can get a push down to the 761s past these accounts. In a little earlier than normal, I guess, for our typical day, but I'm excited about this move. I feel good about it. Pushing off that trend line isn't super sexy. Ideally, we get to hold out a little bit better, but let's just see the reaction here. Getting above this trend line could be very sexy, especially if we keep holding VWAP. The longer we hold the VWAP, the more these buyers are going to be in here showing themselves. If we get it back above this trend line, we're going to be in a pretty good spot. See this price that we rejected from. 743s. I don't think that's anything too scary, so can't be scared of monsters under the bed here, boys. Let's see what happens. Let's get a push back to that trend line. Find some strength here. If we can get above this 15-minute start here, we can put our break even on. Come on. Let's go to all-time high today, Nazi. What do you think, girl? What are you thinking? Trying the VWAP still. We're pinching here. Trying to see if we can get back on the other side of this trend line. I added an extra lot off market open wick retest. I like that. You added where I got in, buddy. I'm only in 2 contracts here. I could add another lot as well. I think I might if we retry this 50%. As of right now, I'm going to maintain our trade. See if we can get a push back to this trend line now. Higher the legs go here, the safer we're going to be. Mar added into this. Hopefully this doesn't wick here on this trend line take and we push top past this previous high here at the 40s. I just want to see a nice pop come in here. Pop. You know what I'm talking about? A little pop. A little pip, pop, pop, poop, pop. Find this volume. Let's get it, Nazi. Got to get on the other side of this trend line. Got to get on the other side of this previous high here at the 40s. Next obstacle. Next obstacle is these 40s. This 35-ish price. Let's see if we can get a push here. If they find some legs, it should find some room here. We just got to get to the 761s. Validate these accounts. Hopefully we can get on the other side of this little previous high. Man, Mars in with 3 lots on the ES. We're taking 2 on the Nazi here. Got to get on the other side of this trend line now, where price is definitely finding a little bit of resistance. La resistance. If we can get above this trend line, it's enough for me to put break even on. Right now, it's suicide. Because still coming at break even at any point. We haven't really gotten a separation from this VWAP try yet, even though it looks like they want it. Buyers look like they want to be excited here. We just haven't found any continuation yet. It's got to happen. It's got to happen soon. Still wicking this trend line. Haven't been able to break out on the other side of that yet. Still gives me confluence, though. I think this has got some strength. Gotta gauge the reaction here. See who's more excited, buyers or sellers. Being this close to all-time highs, we got to assume buyers, right? This last week has been nothing but bullish to join on the other side of this week. We got this. Let's go. Come on, squad. NASDAQ. I guess all market, not even just the Nasdaq, because everyone's feeling it. Saucy says he feels it, buddy. I love it, Brett. Let's go. Me too, buddy. All-time high today. Let's go get all-time high today, Nazi. Got to hold this. Get on the other side of this trend line. The more we dance around here, the less exciting it is. I just wanted to get through this previous high here at the 40s. From there will be Valhalla. They're trying it. Can we get some continuation? They're teasing it. 36. Got to get a pop to the 40s here. Got to get through this previous high. There's a 40s getting teased. Don't want to see any wicks. Got to get through that other wick there. If we get through that wick and this 15-minute range start, which it looks like we are, I'm going to now put on break even. And now we're just pretty much hoping that we can see the 761s trade, boys. Come on. Brett's feeling it. We got Marlong. NASDAQ's near all-time highs. The market's excited. Can we get a push now? Let's see it happen here. Other side of this trend line. Got to see some continuation here. I'm trying to... This 15? Yeah, so that is still the 15-minute range here that we're breaking into. This candle was the 46, so it was already past the 15-minute range. 41s. A little teasy, a little scary. Went for just a couple pops up to the 61s. I don't love that we have to wait for so many points, but... $44, there's a little push to the 15 range. See if we can get a hold here. Break even looks a little scary, Brett thinks. He thinks break even's sus here. I don't like that. I hope that she's not. Ideally, we don't come back to it, but I agree with you. It is a little sus puppy. A little bit sus puppy. It's funny to me that if I would have put this on with 5 cons, we'd be done right now. EMA's currently, we're at the top of the range. And this trend line holds. See if we can get a continuation. I agree, it looks a little nerve-wracking, but I want to... 5 cons. If I would have stuck to that today, we would be out of here, but... I'm slowing it down lately. Now that Topstep has their new 10 combines a month allowed, probably going to be changing up my my entry strategy a little bit. Not so allocated to full leverage. Feel like we could touch that before we shoot. Well, Saucy Man, so what do you think? I should hodl? Excuse me. Yeah, I agree with you. I think this price, the 14s, if I do get broke even here, 14s where I'm going to try it again, Brett. Ideally, we get out of here and don't have to worry about it. Ideally, we get some pop continuation. Don't have to worry about it. But if we do get stopped for break even, 14 is going to be the next spot we try it. Having these wicks here and unable to get above it isn't super sexy. We're breaking over fair value gap on ES. This is looking good here. Mars, we're getting some continuation on ES. Appreciate the insight there, buddy. Let's go then. Let's hold these gaps and let's push to these highs. Come on, Nazi. We're only targeting 61. We're not even targeting anything crazy. I do agree with you, Brett, that it feels like we're going to get a sharp wick down here to just stat me out before the move. Which again, in that case, we're just gonna buy this bottom here, so, or I guess this range here. Ideally, we don't have to worry about it. We'll see this trend line hold. We'll see this strength buy today, boys. There's some strength. There's a strong little bottom off that push. Got to get through this wicks now. Also adding on ES, we held beautiful on the 1 hour and the 15-minute level. This is juicy, he said. Come on, more. Let's get some extension. Let's get some legs. Come on, Nazi. And ES at all markets. Let's get some buying. It's looking strong. We're near all-time highs. Come on. If we get break-even on this, we're going to be adding back in around 14 or our price. Getting close to the trend line. Trend line meeting your entry. Yeah. Yeah, it is. Hopefully we don't have to worry about it, Brady. Hopefully we don't, saucy man, but it is looking a little sussy, isn't it? Because of this bottom where we got in, see how this bottom is where we were trying to hold for the support? Ideally, we don't even have to really worry about this getting retested. And this trend line is enough that we can hold. Hopefully this trend line is enough. We are getting a little bit of round action, but I do have faith that this is going to push. Just got to find the right spot. We're at the trend. In the 15-minute range, we're holding the top of it. I don't love that we're like a little bit, our break even's a little bit above the 50% of the 15-minute range, because this other 50% lines up with Asia peak, whereas the definite fear we could come here. But let's go, NASDAQ. Let's get over these 40s. Betting obstacles this whole this morning since we got in this push. Sellers are here as well, just waiting for the buys. Waiting for the buys to take control of this thing. It's looking okay. Mars finding some strength in the ES as well. So that's some confluence. We have the markets moving together. Oh, Brett, we're getting teased here, buddy. Oh, we're getting teased, Brett. See if she can hodl. See if she can hodl for us. Let's get some legs, NASDAQ now, huh? Let's get some legs. So much short. It's going to be loading at the 40s. If we get above the 40s, we should find some legs to at least the 45s, 50s. Lots of shorts are going to be adding some liquidity here. Yeah, these 45s. If we get over, this is going to be shorts stopped here for sure. There's the 40 push. Let's see it now, NASDAQ. Let's see some strength out of you, girly. Come on. Don't wick the same price again and again. The shorts are loading here, which means there's just a ton of liquidity right there. I'd be scared to be a short right now. I ain't gonna lie to you. I feel like that guy on Wolf of Wall Street, because baby, I'm shooting for the stars. Let's go. We got the energy this morning, Mar. Let's hit a push. We're holding the top of this 15-minute range. Still haven't been able to break out of it yet. We're wicking it. We're wicking it. Come on. It's teasing. Once we get some legs through these 45s, all this people that have their stop losses right here, if you're short, that's going to bring us at least to the 50s, and then we just need the 61s to fire. Here we go now. 42. Give us some push. Let's go. Let's give us a push. Let's go. There's 45. Let's get higher. Get some legs, NASDAQ. Oh, my God. Let's get some extension out of here. EMA's curling. We're pushing the top of the range now. Come on. Closure above these 45s is brilliant. Closure above these 45 should easily bring some continuation. Wicking it, not as brilliant. Won't be as sexy if we can't hold it. Hey, hey. Oh, don't tease us, NASDAQ. We're trying to get hype over here. Get us through that 40s price where these shorts are loading thick. Man. Scalp one off here. This continuation is looking nice. I want to scalp one off too. I don't like that we're hanging out here. ES is feeling a little stronger than the NASI at the moment. We're just hanging out. Ideally, we can just not have to worry about our break even as long as VWAP keeps curling. See how the VWAP is now 74.04. If that can keep pushing higher for us and get above 24.25, which is my entry, then we'll be Valhalla. We keep wicking that price at the top of the 40 range. If we can't get above these 45s, we're going to see a push back, or at least a little continuation. Ideally, we get a pump here, though. Let's see it, NASDAQ. 43s now. There's the 44s. We got to get above this wick. Got to get above this price that we just keep wicking at, where shorts are clearly loading. Should be a couple pops. Should be a quick pop, really. 46. There it is. Let's get the 50s now. Should there be a new trend line now? No, Saucy. Just because this, if I did adjust this third point to now match with this, it would take off that second point. So, like, look, if I move... Let me move this for you. If I move this up to match this, you see how it moves off of this second trend line here? So to keep it valid off the second point, which actually initiated the trend line, this is what it would, you know what I mean? You feel me? So now this is a clear breakout of the trend, and this is sexy. This is sexy. Let's go, Mar. There's a 50 push. Can we get a 61s here, boys? Woo! We're getting some volume now, Nazi. All-time high is in for the day, boys. Let's go push it. Come on. All-time high on the chart, my boys. She's coming today. All-time high is 850. Sold another here off pre-market high. Let's go. W's for Mar. Let's fucking go. We need 2 points here. We need 2 points. Get that 61 fill. Come on. Come on. 52,998. I need $2. I need $2 fucking dollars. Well, a lot of the table, baby. No risk, no Rari. We're Rariing today, boys. I need $1.80. Oh, I need $1.80 right now. Fuck. All right. Well, you know, we got news here in 4 minutes. Just to let you know, Mar, in case you probably, I know you know that, but just to let anyone else know. Pushing the 770s now, or 766. What a long entry, my friends. What a push. NASDAQ's looking so strong. Woo! I'm a little bummed out. I still need $1, but whatever. Like, whatever. That was sexy as hell. Sexy as hell. Sexy as hell. How do we get our $5 here? I mean, I need $2. I need $2. Should I trade MNQ right now? I'm gonna be that guy. I'm gonna try. I've never traded MNQ, so I want to do it real quick just to micro NASDAQ. Oh, look at it. Look at the micro NASDAQ. I'm going to buy a micro NASDAQ here at the 53s if we get a price, Phil. Nice trade. Thank you so much, Daniel. I appreciate you, buddy. Thank you for saying that. How you doing today? You also looking long, bro? You looking long? One lot on the table. We might see the push targeting 6241 February 21st high. Come on, Mar. I hope you hodl to that high, buddy. Daniel, I hope you're also getting long. Going to participate in this action, this volatility. I'm currently looking for a micro NASDAQ fill to get $2 so I can pass these combines. I need a micro NASDAQ fill at the 53s and then some push to the 54s. I think it's $2 a point. I literally need a point in micro NASDAQ. Overall, what a great winner. Yes, sir. Absolutely, dude. Great trading. Good patience. Yesterday, we got what we needed yesterday to really let today set up for some action, and then we got it. Fucking good trading this week overall, Mar. Really. We're here, buddy. Come on. Micro NASDAQ. I'm looking for a fill on you, girl. Just give me a little tap tap taparoo, you know, little tip tip tappy tippity toopity tappity. Micro NASDAQ is $2 a point. I've never traded it, but today seems very ideal. I need $1.80, so quite literally 1 point, and we're Valhalla. Are we going to get a fill to 53s? Hoping it's now. Nope. NASDAQ's looking amazing. Nope, because the NASDAQ's looking amazing. Oh my word. Let's go. The strength. Unreal right now. Oh my God, it's so exciting. All-time highs is coming, boys. We are 70 points off of the all-time high on the NASDAQ. Let's fucking go. The markets are buying, boys. Mar, you are printing right now. Look at this push. Oh my God. Taking out overnight high now. The strength. Look at the volatility coming in. Holy shit. We're moving up, boys. We just threatened the 800s. Just got to threaten on the 800s there. Oh my gosh. Currently up 2.5K. Still got one line on the table, baby. We're going. Hey, let's fucking go. We're pushing. Mars up 2.5 birds. We're rolling in it right now, boys. Woo! 2,800, 22,800 the NASDAQ getting teased. All-time high on the table. No doubt about it. Today is a chance we might be seeing a high in the markets. Holy shit. What a V. Boys, look at this fucking V recovery. Oh my God. 865 is the high. We're about 65 points off the high. 70 if we can't get back to the 90s. Absolutely unprecedented. Crazy times we're alive in right now. Volatility's off the charts. Let's fucking go. God. This is why we're traders. This is why we're traders, to watch this. Let's get some volatility. Markets at all-time highs. That was the 10 o'clock news that actually pushed that. Holy shit. I didn't even notice that, Mar. That was technically 10 o'clock news there, buddy. Oh, maybe not. I guess news was just fuel. News was just fuel for overall sentiment. We're already bullish, so they're like, "Hey, we're just gonna get long here." It's like, yeah, I get ya. I understand. We're gonna move this order up now to these bottoms here, see if we can get a fill. Letting my open position trail real nice. Yes, sir. No reason to be too eager with our exit. Let it show off. We're close to all-time highs. If that's in today, you want to be a part of it. I'm looking for a pullback. I need one micro point. Not even a point on the mini. I just need a micro point so I can pass these accounts. I am $1.80 away. Seems like a joke. It's not a joke. Seems like a joke. This is not a joke. 10 o'clock volatility does go crazy. It usually does. Usually like a macro. Also, typically we have some news. So Yeah, baby. Yeah, baby. Holy shit, that was exciting. That was exciting. I can't get over. I can't ever get that word right. Volatility. Volatility. Let's see if I did. Volatility. Volatility. Vola. Say vola like holla. Holla. Or Ola, I guess. Both. Holla with one L. 2,800. 22,800. Getting tested on the NASDAQ. Holy shit. We are 56 points from the all-time high. Woo! Come on! Come on! Volatility. Brother, just buy a long micro because honestly, we're not dropping anytime soon. I know, I was going to do it too, dude. I was just going to put buy and then just might as well watch it ride for a couple of points. But it's just like, you know what it is. I don't want to see the 2,800s get teased like this and then set it ups. But I hear you, bro. I'm looking for that. We're just gonna. I know we're gonna. So you're right. Let me just get a feel right here. And just ride this up a point real quick. Buying all-time highs. I would never recommend this, but we're doing it with the micro and we're doing it on the day that we're gonna go rip all time. Come on. Oh, I should have already bought. Should have already done it, Martin. I'd be done. Look at me. Do I try to short for a micro point? Do I try to short a point in the on the micro to get a point here? The strength is insane right now. We pushed down for like 3 minutes. Opening print price 1, 2. Swept that bottom at 683, and now we're just rolling up to 800. We're up 120 points from this bottom in the first 35 minutes of the market. The volatility is here. The strength is here. My goodness. What a day to be trading. Let's fucking go, guys. I got to just get a point here. Mars right. We're going to be going for a while. I might as well just hop in and get my point. For some reason, I'm afraid. I don't want to buy right at this all time. I want to buy a little lower. Maybe get a little dippy push. I don't know. Maybe like these 788s. Maybe this EMA. If I can get an EMA push. An EMA buy, you know. I just need a point, you know. Nothing crazy. Micro NAS. 802 now. Crazy. Really am just expecting some more pushes here. I mean, we're so close to all-time high. The people that are loading in at these prices are already excited about it. So we should be excited about it. Slide that order in TD. Oh, slide that order in, the fuck. Thomas wants me in. I'm in. Oh, I didn't mean to cancel that. $0.50. 50 cents. You can't make it up. Oh gosh. You can't make it up. Do I do it again? I do, but I buy this bottom just because it's more fun. Just because it's more fun this way. Give me that fill, Nasdaq, at the 89s. 800. NASDAQ is pushing to the all-time right now. Can we get a fill? Keep it going. We're 60 points from the all-time high. Again. Tim wants it again. We're in again. Come on. Wait for like $3. Yeah! 5301s. I don't think I've ever been that close to passing. Look at these 250 wins. I didn't know. Look at the micro. Still 70 cents in fees, which is kind of crazy considering one mini is 280. So I guess that times 5 kind of makes sense. It kind of makes sense. Well, fuck yeah. 800 being ripped. Yo, yo, yo. Twister again. What's up, bro? It's been a while. How you doing, Twister? I'm out all positions. 3 and 8K winners. Whoa. Come on. Let's get W's for Mar up fucking $4,000 today. Hell yeah. Nice, nice. Let's go. Yes, sir, Twister. I hope you're long, buddy. I hope you're long targeting these all-time highs. We're now 52 points from all-time high. Fucking volatile. Let's go. We got long down at like, I don't even remember. Oh, 24. I think 24 is our entry, something like that. It would be up a boatload if we were able to actually hodl. Really appreciate it, though. Appreciate the support, man. Hope you're long, too. Yes, sir, Mar. This is what we're doing, boys. This is what we're doing here. Making money. What a week. Way to end the week strong. This is what we're doing here. Twister, tell me you're long, too, bro. Come on. Look at it pushing the 813s. Go! All-time highs are so fucking close. I'm going to go mark it out for us, boys, so we can celebrate. Let's go look. All-time highs right here. Nope. Right here. 862 is that? Let me just put a horizontal line on. Bank. Ooh, didn't put that there. And zoom in, make sure we can get it as close. 68. 60 friggin' 8. Look at the strength today. Unreal. Hey, why is our line not popping up? Why do I not have a line at 68? You guys see why Topstep is weird sometimes? No, I'm done for the day. I took the long from the very bottom and exited on 22,800. Oh, great trade, man. Great trade. Fantastic. W for you too, my boy. Great trade. Let's go. Let's go. Twitch, you should be hopping in here. Tell us that long early. Mar and I were looking for it. He's an ES trader, but he spotted it early. He ripped out all-time highs. Why is 68 not popping up on my minute chart? I mean, I can put it over there too, but it's like, that's just, I mean, all right. That is all-time highs in the NASDAQ. Holy shit. Of course, bro. Well deserved. Good trading. Good week. Way to end the week strong. Logged out. You're done for the week. Locked in the green. Come back to an all-time high market. Gosh. Sexy. Hey. Hey. All-time highs are on the table today. No enough monitors. Ah, I get you. I get you. Well, we're grateful to get your presence after you're done trading, for sure. But that sounds like an investment. Or you pull us up on your phone. Have us up on your phone and then be like, yo, I'm entering soon because this thing is looking juicy to these 800s. And then I'd be like, oh, shit, it's looking juicy. And then Mar and I would be like, hey, we're looking at potential longs. And then we'd all just get in and make money together and then ride off into the sunset holding hands and drinking champagne. That is what we're looking at, boys. That's exciting. 810s. Can we get a push above this previous high where we bottomed at the 815? 43 points from all-time highs. Crazy. Boys, can we get a like for the NASDAQ being all-time highs right now? We have 7 people watching. 7 likes would be massive. I think that's almost our all-time high. Our all-time high is like 10 likes, I think, or like 8. I don't even remember. Let me look. It's one of those two. Let's just crush that, you know. Let's just crush that goal, too. I'm actually not going to look because it's probably take me too long. Go back, look through. But look at us pushing past this previous high at the 812s now. 813s. 55 points all time. Gosh, it's so exciting. We'll do it next week. Hey, like a man. Appreciate you. No, brother, we're having a makeout session. That holding hands to the sunset. Then we're holding hands. Yeah, well, that was implied. We're obviously gonna lock some little tongue tangling before we run off. I mean, that's just everybody. That's just you eat your vegetables before your protein, right? You know what I mean? It's like that's just what we're doing. NASDAQ did get a push into the 823s. Oh my gosh. Longs are in. Longs are in. Find a spot. You got featured on a YouTube video. I saw it yesterday. You got featured on a YouTube video. I saw it yesterday. Wait, what? What? Featured? What does that mean? That means someone else was like talked about me? Or you mean like I got like recommended on the side, like on the like video, and then like, oh, you might also like. Either way, W. I appreciate you letting me know. I don't know what fully that means, but that is exciting. I'm not gonna lie, I've been a little bit lazy. I haven't been posting my shorts as much. I work so much. It's so hard, and I work out all the time. Like my timing, I just gotta find time. Just gotta be accountable. Make it a priority. That's all it is. No excuses. Excuses are zero. Come on, though. Look at this 810s being held right now. We're literally holding 22,800. The NASDAQ is 50 points from all-time high, and we're holding. Holy shit, is it exciting right now. Just so exciting. 50 points from all-time. We're maintaining it. Should be by the end of the day potentially sweeping it. What a week by the NASDAQ, by the way. We opened at 21,572, okay? This week opened with a low of 21,572. If we close at 22,800 all time, that's 1,500 points. Holy shit. Like a trader's compilation. 1 sec, I'm going to send it. I'm browsing my history. Ah, dude, you're the man. Thank you so much. A trader's compilation. Were they making fun of me? They're like, look at this kid. You're at 356 subs now, too. Hey, we're growing. The family's getting bigger, which is hype. Hype. That's why I said, Twister, you should be in here with us early, getting us all aligned so we can all be together, you know, like just like a team. Still holding this 800s is crazy. The strength is amazing by the NASDAQ right now. I guess the overall markets. I haven't peeped ES. Let's peep ES too, just because it's exciting. 229. Excuse me. What's all time? Oh yeah, I forgot. She's a little bit of a lagger. So 288. So the ES is about 60 points from high. So it's not quite as. I had to head out. Congrats to you, brother, on the win and everyone else who entered longs. Hell yeah. Take care, Mar. You're the man. Have a great weekend, bro, because I won't be seeing you for the weekend. Take care of yourself. And great trade on the 4K trade today, man. 3.8. W's, Mar. Take it easy, buddy. You're the man. All right, so ES is a little laggy comparatively. So let's go check back out to our girl NQ, because she's teasing all times. I mean, look at this. Look at this. Just teasing all-time highs. Look at the fucking bottom of this push back in April at 16,670. And we pushed 5,000 points from April. Who could have guessed that? Trump. He said, oh, great time to buy. It's a great time to buy. Yeah. 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 Okay. Yeah. Okay. Yeah, okay. Great time to buy, okay. Come on. Great time to buy. Understatement. We're giving up the 800 right now, but still looking quite strong. YouTube channel, Jay Schrader. Let's go pull this up real quick. I'm actually quite interested. Appreciate Twister for keeping us informed. Let's take a peek, see what he's talking about. Can this move, please? Dang. Jay Schrader. How do you spell his name? That's fine. Schrader. CH. What's the video called out of his? What? The best time to buy. An American buy. Now is the best time to buy. It's an American buy. The best time to buy. Now is the time. Is it this one here?
lifetime profits from technical trades worth thousands of dollars.
Is it this one? I'm probably gonna. I can't. Here. Looks like it might be this one where he's just reviewing a bunch of traders. Lots of people like me. Patty. Homeboy. I might not even know if this is the video. I'm just going to his most recent one. Probably isn't the one. Oh my god, it is. Oh my god. Twister, you're the man for this. No way. Skip this ad. I'll see the break back down so I can put 200 on there.
To get started, because eventually you might even beat this next guy's payoff.
Let's see here what NASDAQ wants. I'll see the break back down so I can put 200 on there. 15, we're really going to be looking for lower. Officially going to put our 200 on, so we're now officially passing this day. Now we're just going to look for some lower prices. Come on, NASDAQ, die for me. Go away. She's got it though. I like it for some continuation down. Alright, well, we could get a payout now.
Small wins equal big payouts over time, but traders don't always play small. Sometimes.
Holy shit. That was actually awesome. I don't know. That was crazy. He showed us our trade. Time, 10:45. Sorry, 10:55. You're the man, trader. W's for informing us on that. That's one of the coolest things I've seen today. Second behind the NASDAQ being near all-time highs. You know? Second to that, what a great thing. Seriously, that's so cool. It means we're on the right path. We're on the right path. Showed us our little payout that we took. Would have been more sexy had that play worked out. But like he said, small wins hit. And they do. Seriously. W Twister. Jay Schrader. Looks like he's just making content. And Tyler was lucky enough to be involved with it. I need to get back to making my shorts more consistently. And then also uploading my psychology videos more consistently. Got to make it a priority. And I will. Busy man. But we make time for the things that are important to us. This is the thing. This is the challenge. Oh my God. As much as I want to be here to celebrate all-time high with you boys, I am going to be getting out of here in 9 minutes at 10:30. 30 minutes before Europe closed. I got to get out of here a little bit early today. But what a week. What an ending to a week. I hope it does cross all-time highs. It looks like it's going to tease it right now. We're still maintaining eights. We're literally 50 points off of all-time highs. And we're just holding. After an hour, the market opened. So if it's today, I'd put money on it. Could be today. Especially because the ES is quite a bit behind. Like if ES was also teasing it, it'd be a little bit more like, like maybe shorts are loading up. Maybe we're going to get like, right there. Maybe have that thing. W, my man. Congrats for everyone got long. You too, brother. Great trading. Thanks for stopping in too, man. It was awesome seeing you. Hope to see you again next week. Brett, you're the man. Take care, buddy. Thank you so much for providing vibes always, despite trading or not. Genuinely appreciated. And, yeah, I love you guys. Today for sure, he said. Yes, sir. Today for sure. It's no doubt it's going to be today. And it's exciting. It's just like this is why we're traders. But take it easy, everybody. Seriously, you guys mean a lot to me. And the party will continue next week, 9:30 a.m. Pretty much market open. Wait a minute. Why does it say leader +2? Oh, because it's closing them because I can pass them. I just panicked. I just threw up in my mouth. But that's all it is. All right, guys. Seriously, you're the best. Take it easy. Be long today. Ride into all-time highs and enjoy your weekend. Get some sun. Drink some water. Hang out with loved ones. Take care of yourselves. And I'll see you guys next week. Peace.